I just check whether live is going properly or not. Then we will start.
You know how they're doing Labu Sedanta? They are what they're doing.
It's going live.
Oh.
Shall I stop live if you want to discuss something else?
I'll ask you tomorrow.
Okay, not a problem.
I was just wanting you to look at it today.
Om Shukulam Brahma Vichar Paramam Adyam Jagat Vyapini Veena Pustak Dharani Mayadam Janyandkarapaham Asti Sfatik Malikam Vidadati Padmasane Sansthitam Vande Tam Parameshwarim Bhagavatim Buddhi Pradam Sharadam Yenakshara Samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwara Kritsanam Vyakranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च खुला होगा खुला है जस्ट चेक वेदर इट इज ओपन और नो पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं विद्यां पुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीय प्रवेशाय
पाठ में बैठ सकते हैं
लघु सिद्धांत कौमुदी आयुं रेल्विक हे ओम आय औस हयवरट लण यमगणनम झबय घड़दश जबगड़दश कफ चट चटतौ कपय सससर हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि What I was saying, actually you have this Laghu Siddhant Kaumudi, na? This one.
Yeah.
So here, if you want to do, as you are studying Laghu Siddhant Kaumudi in English, so in that case, what you can do, if you find it comfortable or if you find it useful for you, in that case, you can have a Xerox of this, and like some right page should be blank and left should have these things. Okay. In that case, what happens actually, like I am explaining the sutra here, Halantyam, or I am explaining the sutra Tasya Lopa, Adarsnam Lopa. So you will be having both the thing in the same book. It's up to you actually.
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah,
saying
no,
you should do
listening.
this.
No, I'm listening.
I'm just suggesting. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
In that case, what will happen when I'll be explaining about the sutra, this Halantyam or some other sutra like this Adirantan Sahita. So what I will do, usually what I do actually, first I break that pada, that sutras, and do it like this. It's Prathama Ekvachan, this is Prathama Toivachan.
Yeah.
I explain it in that way only. So there you can see that Prathama or Dvitya, whatever you see, and you can write it on right page. Or you can use your textbook also, that's not a problem. Your this copy
So-
also, your notebook also.
You're suggesting that I should copy this book as it is.
As it is, but till you can do it till Tingant Prakarana. Till Tingant Prakarana. And the right page should be, or you have to take care of your book, otherwise you have to take care of your copy, because whatever notes you are preparing now, that should be with you. That is the concern. Okay.
Yeah.
If you are not taking a Xerox of this one, there is no need of taking Xerox also, but
I know you're just trying to make it
at least
worthwhile, simpler.
Yeah,
Yes, and more handy.
more handy for you.
Yes,
For
more
you.
ready. More
Because
ready.
you are studying in Sanskrit in English.
Mhm.
That's what
Yeah.
I am just suggesting.
Yeah.
So it's not like
No,
that.
it's a good thing.
You can think over it. So
Yeah.
okay. What all were questions with you? You were asking some questions regarding the Laghu. Regarding the Laghu.
I have questions, but I was bringing it for you to see it.
Show me. At least
And
show
then-
me.
And then,
These are the questions. Where? Next page.
no, you see, like these. This is I understand this.
Okay.
The ma, how it's written with.
Okay, you have already put something from your thought process, and you want me to correct. If it is correct, you say okay, test it. It's like that.
Yeah, but like here. This I got. And like some of these, like you see, this doesn't have anything on them,
Yeah.
so I don't know. So, and these here, I write in pencil because I'm not confident.
No, that's not a problem. I'll tell you.
See, like this here.
You tell me from where I should check. From this page to this page. I just check. It won't take much time. I just check.
Yeah, but like these are Y and go somewhere and na go somewhere. You see, you got it here.
Na sandigdam means it. You have written it wrong actually. Na sandigdam. This word should be like this. Na sandigdam. You have written it wrong. Asandigdam. 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 So something you have
So
written
this
wrong.
should be there. This should be in front, and this should be in the back.
No, it's not like that. Even this word you have written wrong. Sandigdam. It should be like this. I show you. This word should be like this. Sandigdam. Like this. I show you. I'll correct it with your book. Actually, these are the things available in your book also. so that I can correct from there also. Show me your book, that one. See this one.
Siddhanta?
No, the down, this one. So that you can also correct. All the time you don't need your master. That's all.
I was trying to do that.
No, here. No, I'll explain how to do.
I
Don't
was
worry.
trying to do that, and it's
Don't worry, I'll explain.
kind of
how to
getting
do.
complicated going from one book to another.
Don't worry, I'll tell. You don't need to worry about it. I'm here. See. This word, see?
Mhm.
It is written like this.
But that's a ta and a ka there.
You can do it. That is right. That is the right one. This is the right one actually. Even this is also wrong. This is the right one. Sandigdha.
And it has-
Sandigdha. No, you don't write to this one. Later you will learn actually.
But we have na there. This doesn't have a na.
No, I just have.
It
When
has this instead.
You don't need to put it there actually,
No.
because here they have given something which is like only a person who know very well Vyakarana can understand this. So you don't need to worry, because you are just starting.
Okay.
You are just starting to learn the Vyakarana. This Tikt Pratyaya and what Pratyaya, what Dhatu, these things will come later. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. You just only focus on this asandigdham means na sandigdham, and I have given you just because impression in your mind. So you don't need to worry about these things. Rest I can check. This is a Naya Tatpurusha Samas actually. Naya Tatpurusha Samas. This Naya Tatpurusha Samas will come later in the book. It will come later. I have just given a little bit idea about it. A little bit idea, and that little bit idea is only if something written before any consonant as na, it will become then a. And if it is like consonant, there is a vowel. See here, avadyam, anavadyam. It is anavadyam. Avadyam. Yeah, right, avadyam. So vowel is there na. This
Yeah.
is vowel. So it will become. You have to do it like this actually, whole single line.
So it becomes ana, right?
will
It
become
becomes
a.
ana.
Simple thing. And if it is consonant, then it will become a only. That's the only thing actually. So you don't need to worry about it much. That's the only thing. And rest. What else you want to ask? What else you want to ask?
There, and is that
Anvarta Sanja. Anvarta Sanja means a Sanja which will be having a like a normal meaning or the same natural meaning, like when we are talking something like a cooler. So at least we can understand that. What does it mean by cooler?
you know that it's
That is called Anvarta Sanja in Vyakarana.
yeah, that is.
If the name is not showing that what exactly it does mean, then that is not Anvarta Sanja. Anvarta Sanja means name itself will tell you that
What
what
it
exactly
is.
is the content.
Okay, and that's a vyanjana. That's
A consonant. Consonant.
ekavachana, and this is two words. Panini found it phonic.
This is Anunasik.
Huh.
The Chandrabindu one is Anunasik, na? Like this. You will see something like this, na? That is called Anunasik. If something is written like this, na? If some ach word means some swar word means some vowel is written with this Chandrabindu, this is called Chandrabindu. You know Chandra Hindi in
Yeah,
Telugu, na? This
yeah.
Chandrabindu. That is called Anunasik. Oh, you have put this Chandrabindu is like this, huh? Adya, Panini, Vararuchi and Patanjali. Patanjali is like this. Patanjali.
No R? Or did I?
No, nothing is there.
Okay.
Vararuchi is okay. Panini is okay. Panini says a grammarian who
Who
received Maheshwar Sutra from
Lord Shiva,
Lord Shiva.
and understand and compose the whole
Vyakarana
structure
Sutra. Okay.
of the grammar.
Vararuchi says author of Bharatik, right? Patanjali here. Why are you not putting this one?
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Says Mahabhashya. Okay. And just tell me. What else
But
you
the
want?
example of these I need. Example.
Example the same day I gave. You want today? I will.
You
give
gave me
today.
in the bottom here.
I can give today also.
But
You
like dhatu,
want- I can give you example.
each one of them like
Whatever you wrote later now, here only you can take from there. Dhatu, like I'll give you few examples of dhatu. Just now I'll give you few example of dhatu.
okay. No, with the it in the end.
Huh?
With the it. And like here, some words may not be mentioned in
Okay.
the
ए
sutra.
अजय महाराज है क्या आज कुछ था क्या माल क्या है उधर से कुछ कुछ बर्तन में रख दो बोले जो भी दिखे क्या माल था
वही सामा चावल।
और एक मिनट में आता हूँ
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, बैठी बैठी स्वामी जी।
हो जाएगा आप कर लोगे मतलब दिक्कत नहीं
चिंता नहीं करना।
अच्छा, ठीक है टेल मी
Yes, like some words it's not gonna mention, but it's gonna be there. The
which one
vritti-
it word ना you are talking about it
some words may not mention in the sutra,
अरे महाराज सारा मेरे
But-
लिए नहीं रखना अपने लिए भी ले जाना कुछ आप
हाँ,
सारा मेरे लिए तो
but-
नहीं
ले
लाते
जाए।
आपके लिए रखा ना
हाँ।
आपने
but it will mention in the vritti. It will mention in the vritti. It says. no,
Oh,
it
that
will-
one you are talking about. That is anuvritti. Yeah, anuvritti. Anuvritti. That is anuvritti.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. That is anuvritti.
So the missing word is called anuvritti.
The missing word or
So I
yeah.
was looking for an example,
Yeah.
and then this one too, halantam.
Halantyam.
At the end of a sutra, the last consonant is called it, and it has to have a halantam, no? A halanta. These I got here, but I leave this page here
For what?
because an example how to do it,
Which
how
one?
to take out the
Lopasanja.
haha.
Lopasanja.
Yes, like a
Don't need to worry. Later some in this Acha Sandhi Prakran. Next we will study Acha Sandhi Prakran. In this Acha Sandhi Prakran, everything will come actually.
Oh,
In Acha Sandhi Prakran, you will see the example for all these. You don't need
because
to-
now it doesn't. If I see an example, it's gonna make more sense to me. Like I can look at it and you
I'll
know,
give you example also. Fine.
no, you know what I mean, Guruji. Like
Yeah,
I can
I-
look at it and say
I know it.
because what I see they're doing,
Take your
they have like Ramu. They
Ramu
take-
Kridayam. Ramu Kridayam.
Yes, they have a
Ramu
word.
Kridayam Dhatu.
They have a word Ramu.
Ramu. Yeah.
Ramu.
That's a Dhatu.
And then
Wait, I just give you few examples of Dhatu and these Uptesha you are asking. No? Let me give you some few examples. So that you can map your mind with them.
so then they said Ramu, Rama and Chandra and
Chandrabindu
U.
is there.
And then they put U equal to Anunasika. And then they take out U, they delete U out, and they left with Ram.
Wait.
And then they put all those.
I'm telling you.
I
Don't
don't
worry.
know.
Don't worry. First, you can write the example of their Pratya. It is written over there, na? Pratya. Dhatu is there. You have written somewhere in your book. You are looking some example for that, na?
Oh, this book. Then I'm thinking it might be easier, na Guruji?
Which one in first? Dhatu is there, na?
Dhatu.
So I'm giving few examples of Dhatu, okay?
That has the it in the end.
Yeah, I'll give which have it in end. Many are there. I'm giving this. Even you will study all dhatu. Just giving two example here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will study whole dhatus. So you don't need to worry. It's coming
Maybe
slowly.
that's why
It's
I'm
coming.
having
I'm just
so
giving
much
the example.
trouble.
Don't worry. It's a dhatu's example. Okay. See, this is dhatu. I'm writing. Do. Kri. It's like that. This is dhatu. You can write there, na? Otherwise, you can again ask that where it is. You should
Here.
write at least in a book, yeah. Dukri, Karne, This is dhatu. Yukri karna is dhatu.
Uh-huh.
One more example I am giving you. One more example I am giving you. Dan dane. I am telling only that which has last alphabet is as consonant and it one. I am giving only of that example. Dhatus are in some different way also.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they can have this is the consonant, na?
Yeah, they
See,
can have.
They can have a vowel also.
Uh-huh.
But right now you have studied the sutra. Which one you have studied?
Halantyam.
Halantyam. So you need the example as per the Halantyam sutra.
Right. Yeah.
So these are the example for Halantyam. Like see, this will called it. Okay, you want the example of this will called last consonant called it. You got it?
Yeah.
You got the point, na? This is the example of dhatu. Adesha Sutra. Let's take second one is Sutra. These Maheshwar Sutras are there, na? Ayun, etc. All Maheshwar Sutra. Example of Sutra. Dhatu Sutra Gana.
Oh, that one is sutra.
Gana. You are looking for Gana example.
Sorry, Guruji.
What?
I said sorry.
Sorry for what?
For
You are a student, you should ask the question. What is the sorry? You should not be sorry about it. You are a student, you should ask the question from your teacher. No problem. You ask the question as many questions you want. I am sitting here, I have dedicated 1 hour for you. So this is your 1 hour. It's not mine. You can ask any question related to Lagu
and
Siddhanta.
then we have Gana.
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 Hmm.
Which one is the Gana? So the Nya is what? This
is the alphabet, it alphabet. It.
But
The last consonant should be it, no?
in and Gana,
Okay.
that R,
This.
that's a it. That's a. The
This
dot
is also it.
And
This
the
last
na-
consonant, this is also it.
It. Huh.
Because you want to understand the
Yes. No,
it
thank
concept.
you.
Na. This is also it. Every consonant, every last consonant, it's called it as per the. Tell me,
As per the sutra,
which sutra?
Halantam Sutra.
Halantyam. These are the pratyaya only.
Okay, Guruji. Okay, Guruji, I got it.
Note it down.
Can you move your glass, that black thing up there? Huh. No, that thing there.
Can't you see now?
Yeah, the duster. The duster was in the way. I can see, but
Duster
you
is
gotta
not
hold
in
it.
the way. Now you can see everything.
No, it's. I feel bad.
Can't you see now?
I can see, but then you have to hold the board.
No,
You
not
should
all
be
the
holding-
time. This time only I am holding the board. But
Yeah,
next time
I'm
I
good.
won't hold the
I'm
board.
good.
Don't worry about it. That's it. That's okay here. Now you see.
Huh. Yeah, Guruji.
So shall I erase it?
Yeah. Thank you. So Guruji, when I go more inside, I may understand better. Like next chapter or so.
Actually, this is the way of studying this Laghu Siddhant Kaumudi.
Okay.
It happens. Actually, when I entered to this Laghu Siddhant Kaumudi,
Uh-huh.
being a software engineer, I was a software engineer before
Right.
coming to this.
Yeah.
So being a software engineer, I all the time I was thinking that every book should have a connection with each page, each everything, like
Yeah.
something we are studying here, so next we'll studying there. So this kind of concept we have already studied. But when I happened to come to study this Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, then I came to know that this Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi has a different mechanism.
It doesn't link.
It's not like our engineering books, like our philosophy books. It's not like that.
Okay.
And when I, think deep about it, actually, I had a deep thinking about the Shastra. I came to know that why Varadarajacharya, the author of this book, Varadarajacharya is the author of this book, no? Why Varadarajacharya wrote it like this? And many Shastras are written like this. Why? So then one thing came to my mind, actually, because no Shastra should be studied by own. Every Shastra should be studied in the guidance of a teacher. Correct? That's why that Guru Shishya Parampara should be running like this. This is the conclusion for all the Shastra. Otherwise, everybody will buy it from the market book and start studying. Nothing gonna happen. So this author itself developed the books in such a way so that this Guru Shishya Parampara, this teacher disciple,
Continue.
should continue. That's the way. Okay. Where we are? Yeah, tell me, have you memorized? What about your homework?
No, I haven't memorized,
you couldn't find a time to memorize, right?
but I study. You see,
Okay.
I study and
Okay. Anyway,
I'm reading it,
You-
and I'll.
try to memorize also, because this Vyakarana need actually
Yeah.
a lot of memorizing.
No, I'll memorize.
Right?
So we finish all these 171 we finished too, right?
Where we were?
We gotta do 171 today.
171?
Huh?
171 what?
Sutra.
171 sutra. Tell me the name of the sutra.
Adi Ariran Yena.
Try to chant. Try.
That's what I said.
Try to chant it.
Adhi Rat
Adirantena sahita. Adirantena sahita. Adirantena sahita. Chant this.
Arirantena sahita.
Adirantena sahita. Adirantena sahita.
Arirantena sahita. Arirantena sahita.
Adi
Rantena sahita.
rante rant.
And Guruji, when they're gonna do the phonic thing, how am I gonna know it? I have to learn to put my thumb all over, no?
You will come to know. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will come to know. Sahita. It's not sahita. Sahita means sandhi.
Saheta.
It is sahita.
Saheta.
Sahita. Sahita. You are discussing about this sutra, na?
Yes.
In our last class.
We haven't finished this one.
You will finish it. Don't worry. You don't need to worry about it whether we have finished or not finished. So here we have seen that this Adi is what? Prathama. This Antena is third case. Tritya. This Saha is Avyay. This Ita is what? Saha Ita is Tritya. That's what we have studied here. So let's go to the Vritti, the commentary for this sutra. Vritti means commentary for this sutra. Vritti means commentary.
Saha is what, Guruji?
Avya. With. Saha means with.
And then Sahata. Ita. Oh, the A become E. No? Ita. And that's third person pratyaya. Pratama. Aha.
Okay. Now let's study the Vritti. Antenita sahit आदिर मध्यगानाम स्वस्य. Can you see in your book?
Yeah.
अंत्येन इता सहित आदिर मध्यगानाम स्वस्य च संज्ञा स्यात्. यथा अणीति अ इ उ वर्णानाम संज्ञा एवं अचहल अलित्यादयः. This is what the commentary is written in Sanskrit in Laghu Siddhanta Kaundiya. What is the meaning of this? Antena ita sahita. Antena ita sahita. आदिर मध्य गानाम स्वस्य. Antena ita sahita आदिर मध्य गानाम स्वस्य means the beginning letter along with the it letter. Try to understand. The beginning letter along with the it letter which exists at the end. It letter exists in the end, na? The beginning letter along with the it letter which exists at the end is a sanja. Sanja means name. Is a sanja for itself, and those which go in between the beginning letter and the last it letter. What exactly trying to say?
It says that between the beginning letter and the last letter, which is an it letter, everything in there is a sanja. Huh?
No. So, yeah, see, that is Sanja, but what the Sanja will do?
It will.
Sanja will be denoting this beginning letter. This beginning letter will be doing or naming to himself, itself, not himself, itself. This beginning letter will be denoting to itself and will denote also the all alphabets are coming in between these twos. Which twos? Let's take an
The
example.
front and the bottom one.
Let's take an example. You can understand by example only,
Yeah.
properly. Like we have this Maheshwar Sutra, Ayun, Rilrik, Eong, like this we have a Maheshwar Sutra.
Yeah.
So here, actually this sutra is for constructing the Pratyahara.
Pratyahara.
This sutra is made for constructing the Pratyahara. So what this line is saying, like we have this Pratyahara. What do we say to this Pratyahara? Anapratyahara. This is Anapratyahara. So what writer want to say here, what Varadarajacharya want to say here, he is saying that this letter, the beginning letter, okay, the beginning letter this is the beginning letter. You can easily see this is the beginning letter. Along with the it letter, see here, along with this
Yeah.
it letter. This is it letter we have already studied in Arantyam Sutra.
Yeah.
Along with this it letter, which exists in the end,
Yeah.
it exists in the end only.
Yeah.
That's not a problem.
Yeah.
Is a sanja for itself. It means this whole, because he is not talking about this letter, he is talking about the end letter also. It means its whole. He is talking about its whole. This whole word, he is talking about whole pratyahara. This whole pratyahara.
Yeah.
So this one will be denoting or will be a sanja. Sanja means a name for this beginning letter, for this a, and also for the letters which are coming in between a and na, means e and u is also there.
And also.
You got the point or no? You first tell me you got the point or no?
I got it, which is E and O. The Sanja is, which is a name for the begin letter, the end letter, including
All the
in
middle
between.
letters also
Yes, in the letters in between,
in between.
which in this case is E and O.
This case
In other cases, it might be different.
something different.
Yes.
We'll consider.
Yes.
That's not.
Yes.
That's what.
So-
this is the conclusion for this.
So the whole A, I, O, N, is the Sanja.
This is the Sanjaya.
Yes, the An is the Sanja, but
An is the
it
Sanjaya.
means
There are two things. Which we need to understand over here. Shall I
but
erase
we're
this?
not going to take the na.
Shall I erase this? I'll tell you. Shall I erase this? We have noted down.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Guruji.
It's okay.
I feel I'm gonna get it.
So here, see, this, like we say, there are two words. One is Sanja,
One Sanji.
one is Sanji. So what do you understand by Sanja and what do you understand by Sanji? First you tell me.
Sanji is A and Na. Those two letters.
Sanji is
An. The A and the Na alone. And the Sanji is the A, E, U.
Sanji is A, E,
E, U.
right. And Sanja means
The An.
you got the point. I don't need to worry about it. You got the point. That's what I just want to explain. You got the point. Okay. Here, that's what this sentence is saying actually. Here it is saying, na, Antyanita sahit adir. Adi means the beginning. Madhyaganam. You, at least you should know these Sanskrit words also.
Yes.
See in your book.
That is part of the thing I have to look. I'm gonna get it. In time come, I'm gonna get it. I know in 6 months' time, I'm gonna be comfortable. I know, but I have to, in this 6 months, I have to work hard in understanding the words. So when you say Adi, I don't Adi. When you say Chalo, I know Chalo. When you say Ai, I know Ai.
Slowly it will happen, don't worry.
You get what I mean?
Slowly it will happen. It depends how much time you are putting to Laghu Siddhant.
To be honest, Guruji, right now I'm putting in time.
But later you have to put.
my
Once
mind
you
is
settle
not
down
there.
with your things,
Yeah.
you should put more time.
Yes.
So here in this line it is saying what I have explained you. Yatha aniti. Yatha aniti means he is talking about the same an. An, I have given the example, na? An. That's what he is talking. Yatha aniti. A, I, U, varnanam sanja. The same thing I told you.
Yes. In the
That-
bottom line here, you're
yeah.
reading, no?
It is started from here.
Yeah.
Now I am talking about the yatha aniti. The last one. Yatha aniti.
Uh-huh.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Yatha aniti.
Uh-huh.
Aniti means what does it mean by an? It means it is a sanja for a, I, U. Whatever I have. This sentence is saying what I have written in board.
Yes. Yes.
You have you understood the concept, na?
Uh-huh.
That's what this line is saying. Evam ach hal alityadaha is talking about some other pratyahar. See, there is a sign. What do you call star? Asterisk?
Asterisk.
Asterisk, no?
Yeah.
Not star actually, asterisk. So see here pratyahar down table is there.
Yes.
Table is there,
Over
no?
here. Huh.
So here they have constructed many pratyahar. Now we will construct few pratyahar so that this sutra
Oh.
can give you the result. Okay?
Yes.
And this is also a homework for you. Okay? We'll try here also and you can try at your home also.
Yes.
Let's I'm writing. You have to close your book now. Okay?
Okay.
Close your book. You don't need to see in book now. And tell me which all letters will come in this pratyahar.
Oh.
This pratyahar. Make this pratyahar in your copy. Ach. Make.
Ach. You want me to write it?
Write it in you. That's
Oh.
not a problem. Ach.
It's, Ach is gonna come all day.
No, don't tell me. Tell to your copy. You have your notepad, na?
Uh-huh.
You just write there. Because I am giving more.
Ach equal A, E, O.
Oh.
Whatever I am writing here, just do that. For these pratyahara, these 14 Maheswar Sut, each alphabet should be in your mind. Then only you can do this.
Yeah. Yes.
If you know that correctly, properly, and every alphabet of 14 Maheswar Sutra is in your mind, then only you can complete this task.
I tried that before. Is there a way to know it? Is there a trick to know that from here to here is ach, from here to here, like we know all the
No,
all the
it
vowels?
is clearly mentioned, na. Ach is from a to cha. That is ach only, na.
Yes, but the vowel.
Oh, vowel. These all are the vowels.
Vowel.
Vowels. And rest all are the consonants.
Yes, but like if when you pinpoint it, H is not hal, because
That's
hal is
important.
all the consonant. H is not hal. H is only part of it. Maybe the sibilant or maybe the semi-vowel or something. So is there an easiest way that you could say, okay, H is semi-vowel, so then I
See.
can
Don't look at the easiest way or anything. Otherwise, you will not learn
Hello?
Sanskrit. You will not learn Sanskrit properly.
Okay.
Just try to memorize this. Okay. I can tell you 1,000 things, but at this point, I will not tell you.
Okay.
This time you have to memorize.
Huh.
You have to put more effort.
Yes.
Now
yes.
you write all this.
Okay. What's that word?
H,
No, the bottom. That
cha,
word.
cha, ba,
Cha.
sha.
It is cha. Cha. Cha.
इस समय पढ़ाते स्वामी जी यदि मुझे कोई स्फुरित हो जाए 1 आध मिनट के लिए मैं भी पूछ सकता हूँ यदि कोई
नहीं, इससे संबंधित हो तो पूछ सकते हो, इससे बाहर का नहीं पूछना।
किसी
इससे बाहर का, हाँ, व्याकरण से संबंधित हो तो पूछ सकते हो, व्याकरण का ही हो, व्याकरण पढ़ा रहे हैं ना।
Actually, I don't know, Guruji.
Actually, I don't know.
I
Actually,
only know
you
the
don't know.
arch. Only the arch I know.
Okay.
The
Then
other
you
one-
can open the book. Open the book. You can take help from book. Come to the 14 Mysore Sutra. Open that page where all 14 Mysore Sutras are written.
Yeah. It's right here.
Okay, it's right here now. So see right there. Okay. Here we are. In US you people say na, here we are. You say like this na? Na, here we are.
No, I'm not from US. I'm from the West Indies.
You have worked many years in US na?
No.
That's what. Okay. This ach.
H.
See. Now can you do it? Taking the help of book. Now can you do it?
Yes, but I have to find H now.
Or I should find out.
No. I will.
You have to find out. Find out.
Okay, I find H is A, O, and I can mention the it letter.
That I don't know. I have already taught you.
Yeah.
You should do
A,
it.
A,
It's
O,
your task. It's not my task.
O. And then the other one is Chal.
ये इसी में जो अभी परंपरा की कर रहे थे कि ये परंपरा से विद्या आई हुई है बोले थे आप, तो स्वामी जी जिनको हृदय में स्फुरित और या जो स्वप्न में जो पढ़ाए गए विद्याएं हैं तो उन्हें परंपरा में नहीं लिया जाता स्वामी जी?
स्वप्न में पढ़ाई हुई विद्या का कोई प्रमाण कहाँ मिलता है? कोई भी गप्पे मारता है
नहीं,
स्वप्न
ऐसा
में।
है मतलब जैसे ऐसा है कि चरणदास में और सुखदेव में बहुत अंतराल है, तब भी उन्होंने उनको दीक्षा दी है स्वामी जी, मतलब प्रमाणिक
बहुत कम, बहुत कम।
नहीं
बहुत कम।
लेकिन मतलब ये प्रमाण विभाग में नहीं आता स्वामी जी।
प्रामाणिक भाग में क्या है कि अब कुछ अपवाद मान के इसको स्वीकार कर लेते हैं, अपवाद मान के स्वीकार कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी प्रमाण, उनको भी फिर प्रमाण देना पड़ता है ना। माना आपने हमें ये बताया कि मुझे ये स्वप्न दिखाई दिया कि आप बैठे तो हैं सहारनपुर में आपके निवास पे, और आपने हमें ये बताया कि भाई मुझे ये स्वप्न दिखाई दिया सहारनपुर में बैठे बैठे कि काशी में या ऋषिकेश में गंगा तट पर कैलाश आश्रम के सामने 2 महात्मा बैठे बैठे हो और उनकी धोती फट गई या उनके पास 100 रुपए आ गए, या कोई भी घटना आपने ऐसी बताई जो आपने देखी नहीं है, या वो होने वाली है, भविष्य में होने वाली है, या वो इतनी प्राचीन घटना है जो प्राचीन घटना किसी ने देखी भी नहीं है, आपने बता दी, तो फिर उसको प्रमाण के दम पर तोलेंगे ना हम। फिर यदि वो सही है तो आपका स्वप्न प्रमाणिक हो गया, यदि आपका स्वप्न की बात गलत है तो वो प्रमाणिक नहीं है, प्रमाण पे तोला जाएगा।
जैसे आगमी ग्रंथों को तो प्रमाण मानते हैं आप भी।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
तो आगमी ग्रंथों में जो दीक्षा का जो आया है वो गुरु स्मरण से, दृष्टि से, स्पर्श से है जी, इस तरह की व्यवस्था दी है, 4 प्रकार की दीक्षा
व्यवस्था है।
तो उस तरह की जो दीक्षाएं हैं स्वामी जी, और उस परंपरा में भी सिद्ध हुए हैं, सिद्धों की।
हाँ सिद्ध हुए हैं, कोई दिक्कत
तो क्या वो दीक्षा गुरु परंपरा के अंतर्गत नहीं आती स्वामी जी?
कह तो रहा हूँ,
हाँ।
गुरु परंपरा होगी, लेकिन समस्या क्या होती है कि उसको फिर प्रमाण पे तोलना पड़ेगा,
वही तो
देखना पड़ेगा कि यह कितनी बात सत्य है या गप्पा है।
हाँ।
समस्या ये हो जाती है ना कि स्वप्न इत्यादि की इन सब बातों से, अब हम एक बार पंजाब गए और किसी का नाम हम नहीं लेना चाहते, लाइव चालू है, लेकिन वहां पर हमें एक महात्मा मिले, और वो महात्मा का नाम हम नहीं ले रहे, और इतना बड़ा उनका धाम है, इतना बड़ा स्थान है उनका, बहुत बड़ा स्थान है। जब हम उनसे मिलने गए, साधारण से तरीके से मिलने गए, बिल्कुल लाव लश्कर सब पीछे खड़ा कर दिया, जो गाड़ी वाड़ी जो भी थी, मतलब जिससे कि इनको ये भी ना आइडिया हो कौन कैसे क्या है, बिल्कुल साधारण एक जैसे साधक सामान्य होता है उसके भाव में मिलने गए, क्योंकि हम उनको जानना चाहते थे। तो हमने उनसे पूछा कि महाराज ये सब कैसे है, तो उन्होंने इतने गप्पे हमारे सामने मारे, हम सत्य बता रहे हैं, लाइव है, और कोई हमसे अगर इसका प्रमाण लेना चाहेगा हम बता भी देंगे कौन है वो महात्मा, लेकिन कहना नहीं चाहते किसी का नाम। उन्होंने हमारे सामने स्वप्न के इतने गप्पे मारे कि ये स्वप्न में हमें ये आके उपदेश करते हैं, उन्होंने हमें ये बताया वो बताया, और पंजाब के भोले वाले लोगों को वो ऐसी बहका के उन्होंने इतना बड़ा आश्रम बना लिया है, बहुत बड़ा आश्रम। तो ये देखना पड़ता है कि फिर हमने सुन ली उनकी बात, और वहां उन्होंने फिर हमने सोचा कि चलो चलते चलते, वो हमारे साथ एक हमारा चेला भी था, अब वो चेला कहने लगा गुरुजी हम तो यहाँ से ऐसी बैरंग लौट रहे हैं, आपने अपना तो कुछ दिखाया नहीं। अरे मैंने कहा छोड़, अब इसके साथ क्या दिमाग मारना, ये महात्मा जी अपने ही आत्ममुग्ध हो गया है, इसको कुछ कहना नहीं है। हमने कुछ नहीं कहा, लेकिन वो चेला हमारे पीछे पड़ गया, नहीं गुरुजी कुछ तो। फिर हमने उससे 2-4 करारे सवाल पूछे, और छोटी मोटी जो अंबर विद्या आती थी, छोटी मोटी विद्या का हमने सोचा चल ये इतना मजा ले रहा है आधे घंटे, वो मजाक के मूड में, हमने उससे 10 मिनट में मजा ले लिया। कुछ हमारे पास आता था हमसे, हमने वो उसको करके दिखा दिया, जो भी ये तो सब है ही, विद्या होती है, उसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। वो विद्या हमने उसको करके दिखा दी कि देख ऐसे होगा ऐसे होगा ऐसे होगा, और अभी तेरी शक्ति आधी कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे, कुछ मंत्र होते हैं ऐसे, उस मंत्र का प्रयोग कुछ करके देखा हमने। तो फिर उसको उजाला हुआ, उस महात्मा को फिर थोड़ा उजाला हुआ, उसको लगा तू गलत व्यक्ति से कह बैठा, लेकिन तब तक हम उठ के वहां से चल पड़े थे। वो पीछे पीछे भागा, पीछे पीछे भाग के, अरे गुरुजी आओ आओ, गुरुजी बैठो बैठो, गुरुजी बैठो बैठो। मैंने कहा नहीं समय नहीं है। फिर हम फटाक से भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ गए, ड्राइवर तैयार था, हम भाग आए वहां से। तो देखते प्राय ये देखते हैं कि बाबा लोग भी इतने ज्यादा वो करते हैं कि वो लोग गप्पे बहुत मारते हैं।
स्वामी जी उनकी चर्चा तो नहीं है जो इस तरह के
स्वप्न, लेकिन प्रमाण पे तोल नहीं, कोई भी स्वप्न प्रमाण पे तोलो उसको,
नहीं हम वही तो जैसे
प्रमाण पे तोल लो।
ये जो अभिनव गुप्त हुए, ये आगम परंपरा में जो सिद्ध
ये
हुए
तो
हैं,
बड़े महात्मा हुए ना,
दी है। और उस व्यवस्था को अपनी, अब उसमें आपका वो शंकराचार्य जी का लिखा हुआ है,
ठीक है,
कि स्वयं आत्म मतलब अपनी आत्मा में इसको प्राप्त कर लेता है। गीता में भी है।
You have done this?
Yeah.
Show me.
तो उनको बाधित नहीं हो रहा। तो मैं ये आया है परंपरा से,
नहीं ठीक है, अपवाद तो होते हैं, अपवाद होते हैं, लेकिन मैंने तो एक टिप्पणी डाली कि आज के जहां में भी लोग गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं। कई लोग पहले जहां में भी, सारे लोग तो प्रमाणित नहीं थे ना, कुछ लोग प्रमाणिक भी थे, हम ये नहीं कह रहे, मना नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन दिस इज यू हैव आया ई उ रिल री ए ओ आई ओ आई ओ ओ, but you have not mentioned it in the sequence. Now why this a o should come? You got the point, no?
Yeah, this should come there and this
no, yeah, at least we have to go as our book is teaching us. Okay, we don't need to start our own method. Whatever book is teaching, we will do in that way. H is a o. No, this is not required. You don't need to write na this one. What is the need of this one? This is the eighth word, na?
Yeah.
You should not write here. You have not written, that is fine. But why you have written here?
Okay.
It should not be. This is what I have. Chava. I have given chava, no? You should write it like this. I just write it. See, you make it like this. Got it? This one. Don't try to match it with this. What you have done the no this. This is wrong. Okay, this one is right. So this is cha. Can you see this? Khapa chata ta. You have seen this one. See, cha. Where is cha? This is cha. Cha. So you can start it from here. Cha, tha, tha, cha, ta, ta. This is cha. Your pen is also like you. It is not working on time. Okay. See, cha. This cha. This tha. Okay. I am just showing you in book because you can take help. Okay. Cha, tha, tha, tha. After that, cha. After that, ta. After that, ta. Till ta. Because this is the it one. We don't need
Don't
to
write
take
it.
Yeah. Bus is, see, it is halant one. Okay. Ba. Where is ba? See here. Ba. Ga. Da. Da. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you go. Now what I'm giving you as an assignment or the homework. See here actually there are 42 are there. Try to make them as much as you can, but without seeing the
Oh,
book.
Guruji.
Can you do this?
I can look at the alphabet.
If you are looking at the alphabets here, then what you have done? You have just copied.
Ka, ka.
Okay, you can do it right in this way. First, you try to memorize this properly and practice it. Practice it. Ayun, real, rik, a, om, a, och, I, have, rat, learn. Practice it like
That
this
means I
and
have
map
to-
it in your mind.
Yeah.
Where it should come, where it should come, where it should come.
Yeah.
Then you do it. Because
I
see,
can say the letters, but I
later
don't
we
know.
will be using all these pratyahar
Yes.
too much.
Yes.
In every sutra they'll come actually. So if you don't memorize and if
No, I'll do
we
that.
don't know about, then how will
I'll
we
do
work?
that definitely.
You got the point, no?
Yeah.
So this is your homework and this sutra is finished now.
Okay.
Your pen catch. You can catch. You are a good cricketer, na? Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Guruji, I didn't call you last night.